Here's how to set up DS4Windows and connect your PS4 controller to your PC. Open your browser and search for DS4Windows. Go to the official site and click Download. Scroll down and click Download again to get the zip file. Once downloaded, go to your Downloads folder, right-click the zip and select Extract All, then click Extract. Open the extracted folder and double-click DS4Windows.exe. If it prompts you to install the .NET Desktop runtime, click Yes. This will open the official Microsoft download page. Download and install the runtime, then reopen DS4Windows. When DS4Windows opens, select Program folder as your settings save location. Click Step 1, Install the driver. Accept the agreement and follow the installation steps. This installs the virtual controller driver that makes your PS4 controller appear as an Xbox 360 controller to Windows and your games. Plug your PS4 controller into your PC with a USB cable. Click Start in DS4Windows. Your controller will be detected and shown as connected. It may be labeled as Xbox 360 controller, which is completely normal behavior. Your controller is now ready to use in any game on your PC. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.